every
Put the
day.
sauce, how much? How much of the sauce? Just 1 scoop?
Around 2 tablespoons.
Oh, 2 tablespoons. Okay. That is not tablespoon. It's a big portion for a big girl like me. Hey, but fit in this Anna Sue dress, okay? Alright. Did we put 3 more now? What as much as you desire, okay? If you like to. Okay, now it's time for the main event.
The
We put
papaya.
papaya. So how do you get the papaya? We have different ways that we make it. Some of them you use it, the carrot shredder. Do that, but in Thailand we do it really what you call that hardcore way. So you get the papaya, we peel it all the cover what do you call the cover? What do you call it? The outside, the shell? Skin, thank you.
The skin off of it. We'll peel the skin
I don't
off
speak
of
English.
the papaya.
I speak sign language. Oh, we done already? Hold on. So this is what we do in Thailand. We do hold papaya in your hand and you go with the knife and just go karate chop. But be careful of your hand and then we just slide it up and you turn it into something like this. Alright, so we done?
Yes.
Alright, now we're gonna serve it.
Okay, guys.
Do you want me to hold something for you?
No, that's okay. Thank you.
He's like, I don't need you.
You just be beautiful over there, okay? You're killing it right now.
You say you just be beautiful over there by like 5th Avenue somewhere away from us. Does it look good?
Someone said they want
You want some
It looks
Som Tum? The vendor is over there. This is for me, okay? Look, I already fit in the dress. I can eat anything I want. Yes, and in Thailand we don't waste any drip of the salt. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna garnish with.
Last thing, we put a dry shrimp powder.
It's got shrimp,
Yeah,
dry shrimp.
powder.
Yes, a dry shrimp powder.
Yes.
So we just like shred dry shrimp, tiny shrimp. In Thailand we have tiny shrimp. Ooh, that looks so good. And is that what it is? Do it with me. 1, ta-da, ta-da.
Okay. You missed your cue. Let's try that
Do
again.
it again. Oh, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da. Yeah.
Amazing.
I got some time for you.
Wow, this looks
Is it
so
good?
good.
You have to try it.
I think you have to show us how you eat
Oh yeah.
papaya salad.
So in Thailand we use spoon and fork, right, to eat. But also in Isan, in the northern eastern area, we eat with hands. So the same thing when we do the Thai dance, we go in and out with this. We just go in and out, and then. Oh my God, so good! Oh my God, so good!
I really wish the cameraman was still here to do a close-up zoom of papaya right
Down
now.
my shin. You gonna make it on me? Oh my, do it again. Let's do it one more time. I'm hungry. I'm just. Go in. Finger licking good.
Truly. So if you want your own version of this delicious papaya, someone in with the napkins.
You're
Thank
so sweet.
you.
Just one.
If you
My
would
face
like your
not
own
heavy.
version of papaya salad, the Som Tum Dare section is over to the right. They are still serving, and you can actually meet this amazing chef as he's cooking up these delicious dishes. All right, let's give it up one more time for our lovely chef here.
Som Tum Dare. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you. And would you like to say anything for our guests in Thai?
Hello everyone. My name is Chef Ying from Som Tum. Nice to meet you everybody.
And you work at Som Tum Dare every day?
Almost every day.
Almost every. See, Thai people are hard worker. How many days? Like 2. Just kidding. You can find, if you go to visit him in Som Tum, you will see him. That's it. And don't forget to, hi chef, we saw you feed this drag queen spicy Som Tum. Alright, thank you so much. Alright.
All right, so our amazing production team is gonna come over and clear this stage, or maybe Pataya is just gonna eat everything directly off here. That's also fine. That's a
attractive because my face is not that big, but my ego is. That's a joke, wow, come on. It was funny in the shower. When I was by myself, okay? And whatever people say, drag queen don't shower, lies, I shower. But we just stinks anyway. Alright, what's next?
So up next, we do have an amazing fan dance from Thailand, but we're gonna wait until the table is completely clear.
Do we have anything to give away? Any more things to give away?
So.
Yes, we do. All right.
We have our dear friend Bird here. Hello, Bird. Everybody say hello, Bird.
Hello, Bird. The question is, I literally just said it a little earlier today. I mean, just 5 minutes ago. What is the main utensil for Thai people? Not the finger.
What is the main utensil that
That
Thai
one
people
is different
use?
than I mean, not so different, but yeah. Not a chopstick. Hands and shake, hands and shake. Little one, what is it? Spoon and fork, yes!
Good job.
Come on out here, come on out here.
And you, little one, win a duffel bag.
So we put the spoon on the right hand and fork on the left hand. When you Americans are doing the other way around, but the knife on your left hand. So it's like kind of like when you use a fork to pile everything in, and then the spoon is like scooping everything in. I'm explaining. I don't know why.
I loved it. That was
I love
beautiful.
sharing over sharing.
It's part of the fun, for
Yes.
sure.
What's next? I mean, what's the next question? Do you have any question,
Oh,
Melanie?
I think we do have questions. Wait, so who in this group has already been to Thailand? Okay, and why have the rest of you not been to Thailand? That is my question. We
Jacob,
have
find new
questions.
friends. or Jacob's friend, find new friend.
Oh,
Oh,
okay,
okay,
that's
okay.
fair, that's
No,
fair.
he hasn't been. He was like,
Oh,
boo.
there's no reason for you, sir.
You want to come with me?
Say no, this is a trap. Don't go.
You want to go to Pattaya tonight? What? The restaurant. What were you thinking? Oh my God. What's your name? Daniel. Daniel and Pattaya. Oh, it works.
I mean, he did say he's got a girlfriend. He didn't say he has a wife, so...
Uh-huh. Wait.
There.
Oh, y'all together?
Oh.
You know, Thai
okay.
people we share, right? See, Daniel say yes. You got it right. No wonder. I mean, now he's mine now. Now he's single. She's like, what you say? Okay, never mind. Back to Melanie. Sorry.
Beautiful. So, can anyone tell me, if you look behind me, we have this beautiful photo backdrop. Can anyone tell me, go ahead and raise your hand if you know what temple this is? Oh, we want some new people. This lovely gentleman here at the front.
The White Temple. White Temple.
It is a white temple, that is correct. We're looking for something slightly more specific.
That's not the answer. It's incorrect, sir. It is white, duh.
We have
Hey,
this gentleman here.
lady,